Levi Strauss. I know yesterday you were talking about Cal football. Well, turns out that Levi Strauss and some of his progeny went to and matriculated from the University of California at Berkeley, as did Haas. It's named for the business school, of course, with these avocados, the Haas avocados. But anyway, Pete, Levi Strauss not seeing the good results that people thought that they should. The net revenue, $1.52 billion, it missed on revenue, it missed on bottom line, and in after hours trading, we saw a significant drop last night, and it's not really seeing a big recovery today.
No, and John, it's interesting though. They missed on the revenue, but this is the other side of it. You could flip it a little bit more positive and say, but it was still up year over year, and that's something that you and I talk about a lot. Is what does it look like in the really big picture? I mean, the front quarter, that's one thing, but the big picture. So that would be one positive, I think, if you were interested in this stock that you could, kind of hold on to. But there is some guidance problems, and you and I talk about this all the time. But you can have great earnings, great revenue, great everything, but that guidance is always a real key. And I think that's the part that I think has got people pretty disappointed right now. They are looking, at least they're talking about Dockers and what do they want to do with that, right? And they've already hired Bank of America to represent them. And I talk about those financials, John, the ones that are involved in investment banking. That's where it's critical, I think. Those are the ones that really have the best opportunity to continue the run that we've seen out of some of the financials this year. Bank of America would be one of those. What are they going to do? Are they going to try to spin it off, sell it? That might be a possibility. That's certainly something that would be on the table. And I think that might be beneficial for them at Levi because they're having some struggles on different brands and what the sales look like. And this is something right now that they're obviously having to navigate through this. They are sitting smack dab in the middle of the 52-week low and the 52-week high. So I think this is one where you want to keep a very close eye on it and what might exactly happen with Bank of America, and are they shopping this or are they not? That'll be an interesting question.